Welcome back to ES Daily. Today, we're walking through the 63.75 long, a high-probability reclaim setup that triggered after Powell's FOMC presser sparked major volatility. This trade is proof that even on a chaotic Fed day, when most traders are chasing noise, we stick to the rules, follow structure, and wait for price to invite us in. Let's break it down. This was a loaded day. At 2 p.m. Eastern Time, FOMC rate decision. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Powell press conference. Macro data already in play from the AM. And price, stuck mid-range for most of the day. No reason to act, just stay patient. In the game plan, I mapped 63.75, 63.70 as a clean, untouched RBR demand zone. Built from the July 23rd breakout base, confirmed by the July 21st resistance stall. This was structure, a clean shelf, and I said it clearly. I may bid this area on a confirmation, but only after price behavior confirms it's the end of the move down. That's the plan. We didn't touch anything inside the range. We didn't chase the early bounce. And when the market flushed at 2:40 p.m., we stayed focused on structure. Everyone else is reacting to Powell's tone shift. We're watching the zone. Here's where it gets beautiful. At 2:56 p.m., price flushes through 63.75, dips into 63.70, the bottom of the zone, diverges. Price reclaims 63.75 on a strong bounce. I step in at 63.7625 on confirmation, not anticipation. Entry triggered, risk defined. From there, T1 at 63.87.25 hits by 3:14 p.m. T2 at 63.99 just before RTH close. T3 at 64.39.75 gets partially hit that evening. And the stop moved to break even, risk off. We held the runner into the close and trailed it into the evening session. But by July 31st, price failed to hold structure, and the stop got hit at 63.80. That's fine. We don't force it. We let structure do the work. This trade is the perfect example of trading around news, not because of it. Letting the flush create opportunity. Trusting levels we mapped before the chaos. Executing only on confirmation. Managing risk as volatility picks up. Most traders panic on FOMC days. We follow the system. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. We don't chase noise, we plan, wait, and execute. Want trades like this before they trigger? Join me at esdaily.com. I'm PriceTrader, trade structure, respect risk, and I'll see you in the next one.